Sikkim Krantikari Morcha Party celebrated the Jan Anmukti Divas at Saman Bhavan in Sikkim. SKM Party President and Chief Minister P.S. Tamang dedicated the day to the people of Sikkim and party workers for ushering in Parivartan in Sikkim. He said our Kranti is not only to change the government but to bring change in the system, and the people would get the system, education and health of their desire.
Jan Anmukti Diwas marks the release of SKM Supremo P.S. Taman from jail after 1 year jail term in the year 2018, 10 August being its third anniversary. Due to lockdown, grand celebration was not held and CM P.S. Taman addressed the public virtually via live broadcast. CM dedicated the day to the people of Sikkim and party workers for ushering in Parivartan in Sikkim. Addressing the third Jan Anmukti Diwas of the ruling SKM party at Saman Bhawan on Monday 10 August, Sikkim Krantikari Morcha Party President, also the Chief Minister of Sikkim, P.S. Taman expressed his deep gratitude to senior leaders, workers and supporters of SKM Party for standing still during the difficult times of the party. SKM press release issued by its Secretary Press and Publicity, Ranjana Pradhan, informed that on the occasion, SKM Party has felicitated the SKM President P.S. Taman with a felicitation letter. In his address, SKM President encouraged everyone to support the government to bring the change in the system. He added that there was some delay due to the global pandemic, but the SKM government would fulfill all its promises and would not betray the people of Sikkim. Our Kranti is not only to change the government but to bring the change in the system, and the people would get the system, education and health of their desire, he said. SKM President asserted that since the people of Sikkim has now given the chance to SKM, the party would complete all those works in 10 years of time, which the SDF government was failed to do so in the last 25 years. A book, Parivartan Ko Ek Barsha, published by Press and Publicity and Social Media Cell of SKM Party, an English edition of the collection of Nepali poems, An Uprising Born of Injustice, written by Party President P.S. Taman during his 1 year in the jail, and a musical album, Jan Anmukti, were released by the SKM President P.S. Taman. Secretary General of SKM Party, the Minister Arun Upriti, Minister Kian Lepcha, among others, attended the function. Since 2018, SKM Party started celebrating this day like a festival in the name Jan Anmukti Diwas. Due to COVID-19 crisis in the ruling, Sikkim Krantikari Morcha has organized a low-key event to mark Jan Anmukti Diwas.
The saying itself, Jan Anmukti, means we are trying to bring up the down underprivileged who are people who have been living in tyranny. We are trying to bring those people up. We are trying to uplift these people. So to mark the Jan Anmukti Diwas, we are celebrating it because the first and foremost thing is our leader, our our beloved leader, he was released on this day.
The day holds significant event in Sikkim's political history, but looking at the present crisis, it was decided the celebration will be a low-key and CM addressed the public through live streaming. Marking the day, SKM Party members of Gangtok organized blood donation camp at MG Mark. They also felicitated Safai Karamcharis of Gangtok Municipal Corporation by giving gumboots, sanitizers and other equipments. With Dipagurun, Gangtok.